I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this foldable ottoman. It's a 16 by 12 by 12 high, and it's really soft. This is a cloth linen. It's got these pretty little buttons on the inside as a nice decorative piece. And this is really easy to put together. It's got a hard top here, but cushiony where you're gonna sit. It's got a base plate for the bottom to stabilize that. And then this is the actual ottoman part. Even just lifting it up, it's that easy to open up. So you open it up, you put your base plate in, and then that makes it to where it is now a stable box. And then you put your lid on. Now you have an ottoman. I'm gonna take you in close so you guys can see some of these features, but that was super simple. This would be great for under your desk, just to sit on, put some storage stuff in there. It's nice, easy, and it's got little decorations. So here's this little seat. I'm able to sit on it. You got little side pouches right here, so you could put like a little magazine or something in here too. And if you were sitting on a chair, you prop your feet up, have your book sitting right there. And then the top easily comes off, and you can grab whatever goodies you've put in there. It's nice and cushiony, easy to assemble.